What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about RotoScrub. What is RotoScrub? It's actually kind of ingenious, you guys. It just goes in on the end of your drills. 1/4-inch hex. You throw it on a drill, and you got yourself a rotating scrub brush. Why is that cool, Eric?
Makes cleaning easier, and like I was just thinking, so the grout in my bathroom needs to be clean, and it's just every time I clean it or my wife cleans it, it's a pain. It's not always easy to do. This, you can get in corners, you can do all sorts of different things. You can go up and down the grout lines, get it clean, and you're saving your shoulder and your elbow. So
yes, and you have the torque of a drill, you guys. So basically what that's going to give you is, like Eric said, you know, look at that. Kind of like buffing, but with a scrub brush. And that actually does a great job on wheels. We were trying to find some dirty situations. If you look at the B-roll here, we got some cool stuff that we're kind of going with. But there's all different flavors. You can have just the regular scrub brush, which is designed just like a brush, or this one, which actually has an extended reach. I would say you could use this in the kitchen for glasses and stuff, but I mean, I wouldn't want to put too much pressure on it. But anything you're trying to clean the inside out of, this is going to be a good one. This one's going to be great on wheels.
yeah, that's a good idea too.
Yeah, just to get in those little holes on your wheels of your car. And then they also have these ones, which I'm going to give to Eric, because you should use these on your grout.
That's what I'm gonna use.
So basically, you guys, you get yourself a little sticky Velcro pad here, and you put this on right here. Boom. That's all you need. You're going to town. Let's do it. And then boom. And honestly, that's actually sand. Wow, feel that.
Oh,
It actually
like
sanded
smooth.
it. Yeah, it's smooth. It like sanded it.
Wow.
You can see some of the fibers. But I mean, if it's doing that, you guys, obviously very aggressive. You know, you don't want to use this on car paint or anything like that unless you have an old truck bed you want to clean out. But it's just cool to see these attachments that go on existing tools that can, you know, make your life cleaning a lot easier. Because, you know, a lot of hand scrubbing or whatever, you know, it's a lot of work.
It is.
What are you laughing at?
It is a lot of work,
It is, man. I mean, you
I'm
know,
telling you,
wax
it
on,
sucks.
wax off. Now you can just...
But you don't get that karate practice, so that's the only thing.
You don't get that karate practice. I mean, some people are like, oh, I'll scrub, you know, I can scrub. I don't need that thing. Well, you know what? This makes it not only faster, but I guarantee you this is going to get cleaner than you just on your own. Just because it has more friction, it can move more. Right?
No, because like if you do...
Eric's sick, you guys.
If
so
you do... if you do grout, sometimes you have to... oh my god, I can't even think of the name of it. You know, like when you clean your grout, and like every couple of years, you have to put that liquid stuff on it.
Yeah,
to
seal it.
Seal it. Thank you. I mean, if you're gonna seal it, you want to make sure it's nice and clean. And you know, doing that to it before you grout it or before you seal it is awesome.
Yeah, grout's a pain.
It is. You know what? I even got the
Yeah.
epoxy grout, and you're not supposed to have. You don't have to seal it. You don't have to do anything. But I noticed that mine's changed colors.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on the actual floor itself, it's really weird because so it's a heated floor. So I put a mat down. Right where the mat is, it's all darker. And you can kind of see the outline of the actual mat, and everywhere else has got the lighter grout, the one that I really like. It's weird.
That sucks.
Yeah, it does.
Now it sounds like to fix it, you have to tear it all
I'm
up.
not even doing it. Nope. Just one of those things.
Yeah,
you know?
that's
You just
horrible.
leave.
That's something good to know, though. How do you know that? Like, if you buy a house and you do stuff like that, and you don't find out till the last minute. I mean, it's on you.
Oh yeah, well no, because I actually did the bathroom, so I put the epoxy grout on there because I'm tired of cleaning grout in the bathroom, and I know my wife doesn't like it, so I'm like, okay, epoxy is reading through it, and I'm like, okay, you don't have to seal it, you don't have to do anything.
Well, now she's gonna like it because you got her a drill. Set to go, right?
All set, man.
All right, you guys, RotoScrub, check it out. Let us know what you guys think. Comment below, would you use this? We'll put a link to Amazon where you can get the RotoScrub, and it's just one of those cool things, you know? It's just a cool little gift to have around or give to somebody or whatever.
It is. Yeah, it is. Very cool.
I always gotta look, make sure the camera's still on. What else?
Oh, I still got that on too.
Oh. All right, you guys, peace out.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.